After roughly 2 months of incubation, a soft chirping sound signals that hatching has begun.
The nest itself functions as a natural incubator. Decomposing vegetation generates steady heat and
Responding instantly to her offspring's calls, the mother alligator carefully excavates the nest mound, using remarkable gentleness.
Within moments of hatching, the young alligators instinctively enter the water, already capable swimmers despite their tiny size.
As the sun sets on another day in the wetland, a new generation of American
The distinctive yellow stripes marking juvenile alligators serve a vital purpose, beyond simple decoration.
Insert. Survival for juvenile alligators means constant vigilance against threats from every direction. Large wading birds.
In an instant, the young alligators vanish into dense reed cover, their small size and quick reflexes allowing rapid
With ancient eyes and scales glistening in the golden light, this giant predator surveys its territory. The American alligator, a relic of the dinosaur age, emerges from the depths as the golden sun breaks the horizon. As the sun rises over the wetlands, the apex predator begins its day. As darkness settles over the wetland, the American alligator disappears once more into the landscape called home. As night falls, the wetland transforms into an entirely different world. This is when the American alligator becomes. Under cover of darkness, the American alligator's approach becomes nearly undetectable. This nighttime hunting strategy targets only the faintest ripple betrays its presence. The American alligator moves with extraordinary stealth, its eyes. A closer look reveals the remarkable armor that has protected this species for millions of years. Patience define the American alligator's hunting strategy. Submerging almost entirely beneath the surface, it approaches potential prey with agonizing slowness. Not every hunt succeeds. This time, the mallard waterfowl detect the danger just in time, exploding into flight in a chaotic burst of wings and water.
Undeterred, the American alligator simply returns to stillness, its patience is seemingly limitless. In interest 10. As summer intensifies, the wetland transforms under relentless heat. Water levels drop noticeably, and adult
tensions. During severe drought, the American alligator demonstrates remarkable ecosystem engineering. By digging and maintaining.
As autumn settles over the wetland, cooler temperatures begin to change alligator behavior once again.
As winter approaches, dropping water temperatures dramatically slow the American alligator's metabolism. Movement becomes deliberate.
In the most extreme cold, American alligators demonstrate an astonishing survival adaptation called brumation.
Keep it steady, watch the tail.
He's clear of the threshold.
All right, closing the gate now.
All green on the main locks.
Vitals check complete. Stable.
All right, team, let's move it out.
Steady now, nice and slow. Watch the tail.
Loop is ready.
Easy now, keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the left. Looks good, boss. Locks engaged on this side. Strap is secure at the front. Rear strap is good. Okay, easy now.
Straps are secure on this side. Head is calm. Keep moving slowly.
Okay, bring it up slowly now. Watch the clearance on the right side.
Looks good, Commander. Rolling it in.
The thermal signature is stable.
Confirmed. We are ready for transfer sequence initiation.
As spring warmth returns to the wetland, the American alligator emerges from its dormant winter state with renewed vigor.
Spring also marks the beginning of the bellowing season. A dominant male raises his head and tail, producing
additions. For handbags, precision cutting begins with digital templates mapped directly onto the leather surface. Body pageants. From this point forward, the same finished alligator leather begins to diverge into entirely different luxury products.
Unlike standard leather, alligator hide demands careful scale pattern matching before any cut is made. This craftsman studies the natural arrangement of scales.
Footwear crafted from alligator leather requires unusually careful die placement. This craftsman positions each cut to preserve.
A jacket requires the largest, most valuable sections of alligator hide available, making layout planning especially critical.
A jacket requires the largest, most valuable sections of alligator hide available, making layout planning especially critical.
Even a small phone cover crafted from alligator leather demands careful selection. This section is chosen specifically.
Assembling an alligator leather handbag requires more patience than standard leather work. The raised scale texture means every seam must be stitched carefully by hand.
Lasting alligator leather requires more careful tension control than standard hide. Too much stretching can distort the natural scale spacing, so this worker adjusts pressure gradually. A finished alligator leather jacket receives the same attention to detail found throughout luxury garment production. Silk lining adds interior comfort. Even at phone cover scale, alligator leather commands careful handling. This male African-American worker presses the texturants. This display captures the remarkable versatility of alligator leather. Handbags, footwear, a jacket, and phone agents. Every finished alligator leather product now faces its final judgment. This inspection hall exists for one purpose. Every moving part on an alligator leather jacket must withstand years of regular use. This technician repeatedly.
All the data now converges here at final approval. Structural tests, scale pattern inspection, and origin certification are reviewed together.
He mentions. Presentation matters as much as craftsmanship at this price point. Each finished piece is wrapped carefully in soft tissue before each product is placed into a rigid, foam-lined box alongside its certificate of authenticity, a document confirming both craftsmanship and legal origin. Before reaching any customer, finished alligator leather products rest in climate-controlled storage, each one tracked precisely within the facility's inventory system.